Hi, good morning everyone. Good morning. Today we'll discuss about objective books and work session 1, that is mains model worksheet 1. So see here questions are given. The number of electrons in an atom of an element is equal to its. Generally we know number of electrons. See, for an atom an element is equal to given. See, number of electrons is equal to atomic number of an atom or element. For example, if you take any number of electrons is equal to atomic number in an atom. For example, take carbon. What is atomic number of carbon? The carbon atomic number is 6. So how many electrons present in carbon? That is 6 electrons present, because here the atomic number of carbon is 6 and 6 electrons present in the carbon. Hence the atomic number is equal to number of electrons of an element. This is the answer. And second one, the nucleus of an element having atomic number 25 and atomic weight 55 will contains. See, generally we know atomic number is Z is equal to 25 and atomic weight is known as mass number, A is equal to 55. We know based on atomic number we can calculate number of electrons. Atomic number Z is equal to number of electrons, or atomic number Z is equal to number of protons. See, what is number of electrons? 25. And what is number of protons? 25. See here, 25 protons and 30 neutrons given, 25 neutrons, 30 protons given, 55 protons and 55 neutrons given. So here protons 25, but number of neutrons N is equal to A minus Z. This is the formula. Number of neutrons, mass number minus atomic number. Number of neutrons, mass number minus atomic number. Here what is mass number? 55. That is atomic weight, minus what is the atomic number? 25. So here 55 minus 25, 30 neutrons present. See, protons 25, neutrons 30. This is the answer, because the atomic number is equal to number of electrons. The atomic number is equal to number of electrons. The atomic number is equal to number of protons, and mass number means the atomic weight will known as mass number. So here if you want to calculate number of neutrons, that is mass number minus atomic number, it gives number of neutrons. This is completed. Second question completed. So answer is 25 protons and 30 neutrons. And next question. Here if W is atomic weight and N is the atomic number of an element, then see, W is weight, that is W means mass number, and N is the atomic number, so Z is equal to N. So here Z is equal to is number of electrons and number of protons and number of neutrons. If you want to calculate, see, that is mass number minus atomic number, that is not equal to number of electrons. What is according to this, number of electrons means Z means N. Okay, number of electrons. If you take number of protons, that is number of protons also Z is equal to N. And if you take number of neutrons, number of neutrons is always A minus Z. Number of neutrons always A minus Z. What is here A? W. What is here Z? N. So that is known as number of neutrons is equal to, here number of neutrons is equal to W minus N. Here number of 1H1, that is hydrogen atomic number 1, mass number 1. So W minus N means mass number minus, that is atomic number of element. So number of neutrons given, only atomic number, this is wrong, and the answer is number of neutrons is that is W minus N. So here what is this? It is known as mass number, it is known as like atomic number, but it is neutron always represent 0 and 1, okay, because charge is 0 and mass is 1, like that. So it is neutrons is W minus N. It is over. And another one, another question is, take another question. The total number of neutrons in di-positive zinc ion with mass number 70. The total number of neutrons in di-positive zinc ion with mass number 70. So generally zinc atomic number is 30. Zinc atomic number 30. And here zinc mass number 70 given. Mass number 70 given. In the case of number of neutrons, that is number of neutrons N is equal to A minus Z. See here how many neutrons is there. So here what is the mass number? 70. What is the atomic number? That is atomic number of zinc is 30. 70 minus 30, it is equal to 40. So here the given di-positive zinc ion Zn2 plus. See, di-positive zinc ion means here atomic number never change, only mass number can change. So only number of electron can change. So therefore if you want to calculate number of neutrons, that is mass number minus atomic number, not related to the electrons. Understood? So here how many electrons are there? The electrons are 30 minus 2, 28 electrons. Okay. How many protons are there? The protons are is equal to atomic number only, 30. How many neutrons are there? Neutrons A minus Z. That is neutrons is equal to 70 minus 30 is equal to 40.
Excuse me, sir.
So here answer. See, about this is completed, and another bit is, which of the following are isoelectronic with one another? Which of the following isoelectronic one another? Isoelectronics means, what are isoelectronics? The ions are which are having same number of electrons. The ions are elements which are having same number of electrons are known as isoelectronics. The ions are which are having same number of electrons. Okay, the same number of electrons. For example, if you take sodium Na, what is the atomic number of sodium? Here atomic number of sodium is 11. See, 11 here 1 plus means it lost 1 electron. So here number of electrons is equal to 10 in the case of sodium. Neon electrons, neon atomic number 10. So it contains directly 10 electrons. So both are having equal number of electrons. See, sodium 10 electrons, sodium ion 10 electrons. Generally sodium atom contains 11 electrons. Na plus means it lost 1 electron. Then 11 minus 1, 10 electrons, and neon atomic number is 10 and it contains 10 electrons. And if we take B, K plus, what is the atomic number of potassium? 19. Plus means remove 1 electron, then 18 electrons present here. See, oxygen, what is the atomic number of oxygen? It is 8 electrons present. And in the case of C, The neon atomic number is 10, it contains 10 electrons. And oxygen atomic number 8, it contains 8 electrons. And D, Na plus, sodium atomic number is 11, and plus means it lost 1 electron, it contains 10 electrons. And potassium atomic number 19, 19 minus 1, it is equal to 18 electrons. See, the ions are atoms which are having same number of electrons are called isoelectronics. Here in all options, what are isoelectronics? In all options, the isoelectronics are known as, this is only A, because here Na plus contains 10 electrons and neon also contains 10 electrons. So option A. And now the number of electrons in one molecule of CO2. So calculate number of electrons in one molecule of CO2. The number of electrons in one molecule of CO2. We know CO2 means carbon dioxide. Okay. Here one is carbon atomic number 6 means it contains 6 electrons only. And another one is oxygen atomic number 8. So then oxygen contains 8 electrons. Here carbon 6 plus 2 into oxygen atomic number 8, it contains 8 electrons. So 6 plus 16, that is equal to 22 electrons present in carbon dioxide, because carbon atomic number 6, it contains 6 electrons, oxygen atomic number 8, it contains 8 electrons, but 2 oxygens present, 2 into 8, 6 plus 16, 22 electrons present in the CO2. CO2 contains total number of electrons is 22. Now another question. See, the chlorine atom differ from the chloride ion in the number of chlorine atom. Chlorine atom means Cl. Its atomic number 17. So how many electrons present? 70 electrons present. How many protons present? 17 protons present. Okay. Now here given neutrons also. So chlorine neutrons. Then actually chlorine atomic number 17 and mass number take 35.5. 35. Then here number of neutrons A minus Z, that is 35 minus 17, it is 18 neutrons present. 18 neutrons present. In the case of chloride ion means it electrons are 17, it takes 1 electron, total 18 electrons present. But how many protons present? 17 protons present. How many neutrons present? 18 neutrons present. How many neutrons present? 18 neutrons. So here there is no difference in the neutrons, there is no difference in the protons, but difference takes place in only electrons. So answer is third option. Understood? In the case of atom and ions only differ in electrons, but not protons and but not neutrons, only differ in electrons. Okay. Now another question. CO has same isoelectronic as that of ion, that isoelectronic with CO. CO has same electronic as the ion that is. So for example, CO isoelectronic means CO contains how many electrons? CO contains how many electrons? For example, take carbon monoxide contains how many electrons? See, carbon monoxide, CO. Carbon atomic number 6 and oxygen atomic number 8, total 14 electrons present. Carbon atom. So every if you want to calculate electrons, you must know about atomic number. Already explained in first class. In that class I explained how many electrons, how many protons, how many neutrons present in atom. Already I explained. So here the atomic number is equal to number of electrons. Carbon atomic number 6 and oxygen atomic number 8. Total electrons present here 14 electrons present. 14 electrons present. So for example, if we take N2 nitrogen nitrogen atomic number 7, 2 into 7, 14, and plus means remove 1 electron, 13 electrons present. So it is not equal. Carbon atomic number 6 and nitrogen 7, then minus is means add 1 electron. So it is equal to 14 electrons present. So the 14 is equal to 14. This is the answer. Now check oxygen. 2 into oxygen atomic number 8 and minus 1. It is 15 electrons. And check oxygen atomic number 8. 2 into 8. Add 1. Minus is there. Then 17 electrons. So what is the answer? C, B is the answer. So CO contains 14 electrons and Cn minus also contains 14 electrons. So here number of electrons are equal for CO isoelectronic with Cn minus, because number of electrons are equal. Now see, another one is the mass of an atom is mainly present. The mass of an atom is particles of mainly by. See, generally if you know any nucleus, this is the nucleus. Nucleus contains protons and neutrons. The total mass is concentrated in the nucleus. The total mass concentrated in the nucleus. See here, the total mass protons plus neutrons, because the total mass always concentrated in the center of the atom. The center of the atom contains what are the fundamental particles? The center of the atom contains protons and neutrons. See, around these the electrons present different circular paths. But total mass is depends on center of the atom. The center of the atom contains protons plus neutrons. So center of the atoms contains neutrons and protons. This is the answer. Okay. Now another question. It is the atomic number of an element is represents number of neutrons in the nucleus, number of protons in the nucleus, atomic weight of the element, valency of the element. So the atomic number of an element always represents number of protons, because atomic number is equal to number of electrons of an atom. Atomic number is equal to number of protons of an atom. So another question. Now the atom has 26 electrons and its atomic weight is 56. The number of neutrons present in the nucleus, the atom will be. Okay. See here, the atom has 26 electrons and its atomic weight is 56. Okay. The number of neutrons. See here, the atom has 26 electrons means its atomic number 26 electrons means its atomic number is 26. Okay, and its atomic weight, mass number A, that is given 56. So number of neutrons means we already know A minus Z. The A minus Z is known as number of neutrons. What is A given here? 56. What is Z given here? 26. Then 56 minus 26 is equal to 30. So answer is the 30. Understood or not? So another one is, see, atomic number is equal to number of electrons in atom and mass number is equal to, that is A is equal to 56. Then A minus Z is known as number of neutrons present in the nucleus. Nucleus contains neutrons and protons, but they ask only neutrons. Okay. And now the number of electrons in Fe2 plus ion. Actually, what is the atomic number of iron? What is the atomic number of iron? Iron atomic number is C, 26. Atomic number of iron is 26. Then Fe2 plus means it lost 2 electrons, 26 minus 2, and 24 electrons present in Fe2 plus ion. This is the answer. Fe2 plus ion contains only 24 electrons, because if plus is there, remove 2 electrons. If 2 plus is there, remove 2 electrons. If 1 plus is there, remove 1 electron. So what is the atomic number of iron? That is 26, that is constant. So Fe2 plus means, right, 26 minus 2, it is equal to 24 electrons. So today's class is over. Tomorrow I will discuss remaining bits. Okay, hopefully everyone will understood. I think all of one practice the worksheets, whatever I already explained in this class. Okay, thank you very much. Good day.